Throughout our history, we've had but one simple standard for every vehicle we put on the road. If it is going to be called a Mazda, it must make you feel something you can't feel in any other car. This singular focus has led us from our humble beginnings in Hiroshima, Japan, to the track, to streets around the world, allowing us to lead the way at every turn, with vehicles that deliver an invigorating driving experience. So today, we introduce our latest creation, the 2021 Mazda3 Turbo. With our SkyActiv G dynamic pressure turbo engine and iActiv all-wheel drive system, this turbo experience will be unlike anything else.